Yo, what's up, guys? Alright, yeah, so I decided to keep working on the Choo Choo Pew Pew game. See how it goes. A name. Did you want me to play test your game? Alright, sounds good, Skull. Scripting Skull. Yep, alright, let's do it. Hold left mouse button to pick a block, and hover block with the same number, and release left mouse button. Okay. So this game is called, what is it called? Combiner. Let's do this. I like the splash. Make me a level 16 block. Okay. Did I already mess up? Hold? I thought I was trying to hold. Let's try that again. Oh, okay. I'm just dumb. Hey, how's it going up past? Oh, we're gonna die soon. This is, oh my god. We have to get to 8. Can we buy health? No. No, we're dead. Am I not optimizing this game? No. Alright, let's try this again. Wait, what? In 2 minutes. It's just very... Oh, I see. UI bugs are fun. I mean, it's still playable. I mean, I could still click on it. But wait a second, I still have my blocks. Oh, now I see. You know, maybe it was because... Oh, that was probably the bug originally, was that I grabbed the 8 and then it didn't buy some more. Oh, okay. Whoops. Damn, I shouldn't have restarted. In 5 minutes. Alright, let's try this again. We're gonna optimize our placements. What the hell? I feel like this game is impossible. I'm not gonna make it. I don't think. Here, let's see. We would have made it to 8, I think. If it was still 8. I could optimize my positioning a little bit more, but I feel like we're not even close. Yo, Crab Rave? Is that the song name? I hope it's hype streaming music for Twitch. Hopefully it's not. Wait, I want to read the chat, but I'm also trying to beat this game. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna make it, so maybe I will just read the chat. Oh, you added more time to the bug fix. Yep. I'm trying to think if there's a possibility to add like a better like some sort of combination of things that you can do to give you a higher score or like more time. Because at the moment it's just adding numbers together and it gets pretty full pretty fast, where I don't like at a certain point I'm not sure, but I feel like I might run out of space. Or maybe no, maybe not. Maybe I'm just dumb. Oh. Yo, how's it going, Chef? Oh, Chef, I haven't played your game yet. I'll play that next. But yeah, trying to think. If you want, you can update the game and I'll play it again. Let's see. Alright, sounds good. I'm gonna try to, let me think of things that we can do. Also, yeah, this doesn't reset, I don't think. I think we could make it to 10 in... Here, let's try to, actually, let's see what happens if I beat the game. Oh! Wait a second, what's going on here? Yeah, it's a slight game-breaking bug at the moment. And we are going to exploit it. Oh, we just made it to 8. 9. We're so good. Alright, so we have to make it another 9, which is... That's going to be the hardest part. Can we do it within the time frame? Whoa. I'm really curious to see what happens at the end of this, but I still don't think we're gonna make it. We have to get lucky on a lower number. Wait, what was the number? 7. Oh, we got it. Easy. Wait, we got 7. Unless maybe it doesn't load as this is not the new... Here, let's see what happens if we... Do we have to have exactly 7? Is that the mechanic? Because at the moment... To get to 7... I mean, we're pretty close to 7. We're running out of space though, because there's like other numbers here. Oh, we're still not gonna make it. Okay. Wait. Yes, we did it. Alright. We're so good. I think, yeah, the time I don't think scaled, like 5 minutes scaled with 2 minutes, like to get this number, I think is almost impossible. Well, yeah, unless you have like scripts or something. Love 3's on. Oh, Rungeon's here too. We could let's play some of Rungeon's game. Here, we're gonna try out Chev's first. I haven't played. If you're talking about Fernando's game, I haven't played it yet. I've only been playing games on stream or like from people making requests. And if you don't want me to play your game on stream, yeah, just let me know. But yeah, I should add that. I'll play it again unnamed. If you make any updates, but here I just want to make sure I've recorded that I've played this game. So that we can rate it later today. Who else do we need to work on? Oh, Chev. Did I miss someone's message? Rungeon was asking if I know a plugin for Godot to track game dev time. I'm thinking, I could make one. Game dev time as in, like, how much time you're spending on the Godot engine? I don't know. Honestly, I've never even explored plugins with Godot. I'm sure it could be very easy to make. And also, technically, if you get Godot on Steam, you could technically record it that way. But I've noticed there's some issue with Godot on Steam. And it only shows up that you're using it when you have the launcher, not the launcher, but like your project list open, but not when you have an actual project open. Oh, that's a great idea. Yeah, I would love to see that. I would love to know how much time I've spent on like my main project or yeah, during this jam. Like I think I did the math. I've only worked on that game on stream, so I think my game took around, I want to say 33 hours to work on. I did do some updates yesterday. So yeah, let's say like 34 hours, which is a little less than half, almost 70 hours, which is almost 72 hours. Almost half of the game jam I spent time working on the game, which feels pretty cool. I feel like I maximized on my time during that jam. But yeah, let's play Chev's game. Why don't I see it? Chev, is your name not Chev on itch? Oh, there we go. Did I sleep? I had very little sleep during the game jam. Like, usually around 4 hours per night. And, you know, it felt good. Like, I don't know. I like having that deadline and, like, waking up. I felt like I was waking up with, like, a purpose in my life. Now, now I feel almost, you know, dead inside. No, I'm just kidding. But, you know, like, it felt good to, like, have some, like, you know, waking up and, like, feeling some sort of drive to get something done as soon as possible. Whereas now, like, I slept in I slept in till like 1 p.m. today, which doesn't feel as not nearly as good. All right, here's Cancerous. I was on stream with Chev for most of the development of this game. So I'm excited to see what's going on here. Ooh. Cancerous by Chevy Fire. WASD to move, mouse to aim, left click to fire, right click or E to ping closest cancer cell. Anyway, let's turn off the music here. How strong is my computer? We have I can't name I think I have I can look it up real quick, or I have the box in my closet. Probably in the basement, but it's what is it? Is it Ryzen? Well, we'll look it up later. I think the CPU is probably the most important part, like for games like these, right? But I have a 6700 GPU. Oh yeah, 87. Oh yeah, I don't remember. All right, let's just play. All right, sounds good. Rungeon. Select Oregon. So I remember, like, when you were working on this, the darkened out area. Here, wait. I think I need to lower the volume here. The male organ every time. I mean, it does look very close to getting cancer, but so does, I'm not sure if the brain has cancer or, oh yeah, the lungs seems to have a lot and the brain seems to have a lot. So I think we'll go in order of what has the most. So we'll do the lungs first. The infestation is growing. We have to save our father. Time is of the essence. The music is really good. Oh, that does sound really good. I feel like I should do that for my game too. Actually, there's no pause in Choo Choo Pew Pew, but for my game, from memory, I think that's a good addition. Okay. It doesn't seem like the infestation grows, right? At least right now. I assume the game does get harder though. You know, I think would look really cool is if you added like a little recoil to the gun, like in terms of the animations. Like, I love the way the wings move when you're going forward. Oh, okay. Oh, but I think we were here before, right? Yeah, we were. Oh, this is getting harder. You gotta destroy the spawner. Area cured. Alright, so the lungs are good. The brain. Yes, terminal brain cancer, it seems. This is a different... It seems like that was a different type of enemy. Oh, this one shoots. I didn't even notice. I think maybe that should be slightly bigger, the projectiles from it. You went ultra simple. Honestly, I feel like going ultra simple is like the the way to go. Like, it's better to have a finished game than game with a huge scope that isn't finished. By the way, how's it going, Runchin? I feel like we haven't spoken in a long time. How's life treating you? Not sure if we can get on there. Yeah, I experienced something similar. I did want to make the Originally, I wanted to make the train move. Like, I don't know if it's noticeable, but in my game, the train doesn't actually move. It's the background that moves. But originally, I wanted to do it so that the train moves and you're constantly moving forward. But then, with like kinematic bodies and like syncing the movement of like all objects to each other, could have proved to be difficult. And like spawning the enemies and stuff like that could have been annoying too. So we kept everything basically on the origin and yeah, just kept moving the background. So yeah, there's a spawner right here, but I don't think we can get to it. Oh, we can. But yeah, I wanted to explore like working on the game some more, but I don't know, because of the game jam. Like now the game jam's over. I don't feel like playing it anymore. I mean, I don't feel like working on it anymore, but we're going to. I think I was talking about this with Commodore, but we might do another game jam like within the next week. Like after this one's over, we can do like an extended jam for like people who want to continue working on their games. Or if they want to work on a new game, they can. Yeah, I think it would like. I think that's the type of motivation I need. Also, I think we killed everything, but there's like one more like bigger enemy somewhere around here. It's not pinging anything. It's not pinging? No. I assume the pinging only works for spawners, but maybe it's one of those big dudes. Yeah, I can't say this enough. I really liked the concept of your game. I love like wholesome games like that. Like honestly, that's one of the things that makes me like game dev is that like you can spread some sort of message. As I'm saying that, like my game didn't do any of that kind of stuff, but. I think that's what I'm trying to get with my main project is like, there's more to it than the gameplay. So yeah, I think maybe, should I restart or maybe, if I quit, does that quit like the whole game or does that just bring me back to the lungs? Hey, how's it going, Vibe Slayer? Oh, your math was probably off with the percentage. I assume that maybe there's just another NP, like another enemy that spawned and I didn't kill them. The progress is still there? Okay. Do the heart? Is that what I think I just did? I clicked on the heart, hopefully. Oh, new texture. So does the game get progressively harder the more worlds? I mean, it seems like they're spawning way more now. Oh wait, I gotta kill the spawner. Oh no, oh no. Yeah, I could see it's getting harder. The heart is where you spent most of the development. I see. Wait, whoa, whoa. Something's happening. The game is crashing. It's getting slower and slower. I think it's maybe, is it spawning maybe too many? There it goes. Pause. I'm pressing pause. Nothing's happening. Hold it. There we go. I like how the camera pans out. The spawner only spawns. So what would it be that's causing that? Just a web I see, okay. Oh my god, this gets... I want to kill the spawner, but... When you're exporting an animation, you should explore the sprite sheet, correct? Yeah, I mean... Yeah. It's probably the best way to do it. Sometimes you might want to separate the sprite sheet, like into different actions. That's usually what I do. So like, you know, run animation, walk, idle animation, they're all in their own little sprite sheets. It depends on how complicated your game is. Like for my Game Jam game, all the animations were in one sprite sheet. That's because it was like a total of like maybe 10 frames. But it can get complicated really, really fast. Oh no. Oh no, we're getting the frame rate issue again. Oh. Yeah, I feel like it might have to do with the spawners. I'm not sure. Or maybe there's just too many enemies spawning in. I wonder. Squeezing. Oh, that's pretty good. SFX are like my new favorite thing. I guess because it's the most latest thing I've been working on. But yeah, I love working with SFX now. I haven't made my own, but like just exploring different sounds has been really good. I was talking to a sound designer at some point, and one thing that like there's this, I guess, terminology a lot of them use. I mean, it's like a slang word, but it's called juicy, like juicy sounds, which are like, you know, kind of like ASMR sounds, or like sounds that are just very pleasant to the ear. I've been like exploring, like I try to find sounds like that for my games. And yeah, I bought a sound pack recently, and it's from a mobile game. It was like $45. It was just like, I mean, they are worth it, I would say. Oh, the game crashed when I well, this happened when I pressed ping. The game is frozen. Yeah, something is wrong with the web version. So did it save my progress on the heart? No, it did not. Damn. Yeah, maybe this one is... It's Godot 4, I see. Yeah, that might... Yeah, I don't know much about Godot 4. Seems like something is looping. Oh, I didn't finish. Damn. Yeah, let's try like one more again. I think we have to try the testes, of course. Wait, I'll be right back. Save the sausage. We have to save the sausage. Are the shapes of the level the shape of the organ? Yep. Okay. It's a slight frame rate drop at the moment. Oh no, it's happening again. Am I the only one experiencing this, or has this been like a bug that's been? You know, I feel like it might. Maybe it's not that, but maybe these guys are shooting and you're not deleting these projectiles. Yeah, I feel like maybe you should probably remove the. Damn, we cannot save the testicles. Because I did notice I lagged with these guys. But yeah, the amount that they're shooting I don't think would cause this much of a frame rate drop, so maybe not. But yeah, let me know when you update it. Or yeah, just update the version and we could replay it. All right, I'll try. Let's do this. I'll try it after we try these other games. We'll download it. What's going on? Thanks for downloading. I never followed you? Are we on a VPN? No. Yeah, it seems like the download button's not even working. Chef, it seems like it's not your day today. Wait, let's see. Maybe I could download it from. Usually they give me. Oh, there it was. Maybe I could download it from here. Oh no. No. Yeah, it says thanks for downloading, but I'm not downloading anything. Weird, very strange. Hey, how's it going, Missy Terry? Is my webcam blocking the download window? I mean, I would see it on my screen. Yeah, there's nothing there. Alright, let's see what else is out there. But yeah, Chef, just send me a copy and we can play it again. Is Runjin still here? We could play this game. He said BRB, and I think that was the last we heard of him. Oh, okay. Alright, let's see. Oh, let me give some feedback as well. I didn't. So Chev, for your game, besides obviously the bug that was not anticipated, trying to think what could make the game better. I think the concept is really good. Um, and obviously, only having, well, having less than 72 hours, we can't obviously update it as much as we want to. The mechanics were really cool, or like, I mean, the features were very cool. Like the selecting your organ, I really liked. Um, the I feel like there should be more, like, trying to think of like what could be like a risk versus reward aspect of a game, of your game at least. Upgrades, more enemy variety, but I'm thinking more like, huh? Yeah, upgrades actually would be a pretty good idea. Um, and more, I feel like you should make it more challenging. Me personally. I know it's hard. Like I feel like I usually make my games way too hard, or like that's the biggest complaint I usually get. But at the same time, like, I don't know. I feel like games should be slightly challenging when it's something where when it comes to just time, like a timed element. Um, I feel like that's not enough of a challenge for me, personally. So like being it like having to, actually be good at the game is something that I think is a requirement. Yeah, yeah, adding bosses would have been really cool. And yeah, the jam time obviously. So yeah, I mean if you guys want, we could do like depending on how much time people want to spend on the games. We could make a part 2 to the game jam, and just anyone who wants to keep working on their game can, and we'll do like a part 2 not part 2 competition, but like, yeah, people can rate each other's games from there. But I don't know how many people would actually be interested in that. So we might just restart, or like do another theme. Yeah, yeah, I don't think too many people would want to do it. All right, let's look at Stee. Is it Stee makes game? No, no, it's Rungeon. No, it's not Rungeon. Where is it? There we go. Elon. Please turn the music. I have my if you're talking about the browser music, I think it's very low at the moment. Yeah, it's like pretty low. Check out the Skynet Math Challenge. Yeah, that's Fernando's game. I would like to play it while he's here. Like, yeah, I'm trying to get, like, I want to give like feedback and stuff. So I think we'll wait for that. Same with the Commodore. I think he went to sleep, so we might do another quick stream tomorrow. Check out the yeah. Oh, you have like a sound setting. Okay. An asteroid is heading for Earth. Quick, get to the landing pad. The end is near. Elon. Is this Elon as in like Elon Musk? Space left click. Button A to jump. It's super technical, but as a game dev, it's a fun game. I see. Okay. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. I've heard a lot of good things about it. I heard I was talking to Commodore earlier today, and he said it was a really good game. I think who else? I think Anonymous also said it was pretty good. Or Scripting Skull. All right. Oh my god. Oh, but they have checkpoints here. Alright. So as a platformer developer, I should be able to beat this. Unless I'm a terrible developer. Alright. Here I was just saying I needed a more challenging game. I'm eating my words at the moment. Alright. Okay. This is the hardest part. Okay. No. Oh my god. Wait, I need to sit up for this. I'm gonna try clicking. I feel like that might be better. Is your jump like, is it the same height every time? Or for how long you click it is the jump height? Same height, okay. Oh my god. Alright, clicking is not it. You have pre-jump and coyote, okay. I see, okay, yeah. Wait, does your... I'm not sure if the pre-jump stacks. Maybe I'm... Oh my god. By the time we get over here, I'm gonna... Oh, alright. Alright, we can't fuck up here. We can't... Oh my god. Yeah, this is definitely the hardest part. I don't know if I'm slow-brained. We will get it. That's a promise. If it takes the whole stream, we're getting it. Yes. I took the easier route. No! That didn't feel good though. Why did you have to write that? That isn't even fair. Here, wait. Oh! Is there a round 2? You just said I won. Oh, okay. Here, but we'll do the second one because I don't like how my ego was just struck there. It didn't feel like a win. After Runjin had to put a frowny face right there. Hard as the top route. Okay. Alright, we'll see. We'll see if it's actually hard. I think, honestly, the hard part was that beginning piece. Oh my... Okay. Yeah, this part is also... I mean, it's not punishing, which is good. Alright, we're back here. Okay. We got this, we got this. It's just a numbers game. If I keep doing it, eventually we'll get over it. Oh my god. Alright. You press jump before you land. That we can get an instant jump. Okay. There we go. Oh my god. There we go. That was a good tip. Huh. That's actually, it's actually possible to make that jump. You have to, like, time it perfectly. It is possible. Okay. I'll be the judge of that. I'm trying to get as close as possible. That was not close. Oh, what? That was most definitely not it. And are you positive that it works on browser? That the jump is possible on... Oh! No! No! That's not even fair. You don't let us... That's not even fair, Runjin. You can't do that. You can't tell us we took the easy route after failing one time. You're not sorry. Oh, we're getting better though. Oh my god. Okay, at least we didn't. Okay. that was dumb. Oh, from the last hard level hack. Okay. You could have told me that. Could have told me that sooner. You've made a beast. After this game, I'm unsubscribing from your YouTube channel. Oh, we messed up there. Damn. I think we have to spam the jump button. Alright, yeah. Okay. I think I got it. Are you kidding me? For like the last one, I can't spam it, or maybe I'm just. Yeah, we'll try spamming it one last time. No, it should be able to spam the. Okay. I'm slow right now. I truly am eating my words. I asked for a harder game and I got a hard game. Easy. Yeah, the game is pretty good. I mean, obviously it's pretty short, like you said, but I think that's fine because there are some challenges in the game that would, like, if the game was longer and we had to, well, I didn't know you could press R, so that would have been, that's pretty good. Um, but yeah, I felt myself getting better, so that's a good thing. Um, I think my only complaint about this game is that it was too easy. Like I was just too good at it. So yeah, make it harder next time. Flawless victory, indeed. Yeah, no problem. Thanks for submitting. And beating it on both, yeah. I still want to finish Chev's game, but yeah, we gotta figure out what's going on there. Alright. Yeah, try reloading it maybe. You don't understand Unity? It just takes time. Alright. So if there aren't any more game dev, or I'm sorry, playtest requests, we'll save the rest of it for tomorrow. We'll do some slight game dev today. Why do animations not work? I couldn't help you with that. I don't know much about. Don't know much about Unity. You'd like to have some feedback on your manual? Sure. Did you update the page? Alright, so this is Missy's Mulk Tribe game, which is a series. Well, it's a series of games which include her. What's the word for it? Fantasy characters called the Mulk people or the Mulk Tribe, and this is a card game that she's made. Related to the same game, so here we can actually open up. So yeah, these are what they look like. It's like a platforming puzzle game where you grow a community, where you grow into, I believe, a chief, I believe, right? If I'm not mistaken. And then from there she wants to grow this entire world into another game with more managing and stuff like that, I believe. But yeah, this is the card game. Alright. So it's a game for 2 to 8 players, age 3 and up. Rules. Prepare the game plan and place the game pieces for the player on their starter icons. Every player gets 25 counting cards. Shuffle them and put them covered in front of the player. Add-ons. I just want to see. Okay. So these are all the elements to your game. Yeah, I think I recommended the same thing to Missy, but I think she mentioned that it might be too difficult to make it on tabletop simulator. But honestly, I think it wouldn't be too difficult. Like all you need to do is add the pieces. So you have your starting points. Print them from the logo basics page and use them as a temporary game piece. So it seems like a lot is going on in this game, and this is a lot of information for me to read all at once. I feel like I'm more of like a visual learner for this. Yeah, I do definitely agree that you should try to put it on. I mean, you would have to buy it. I mean, you could find it on sale from time to time, but yeah, making it on Tabletop Simulator would be really good. I do love all the icons and sprites. They look very. It looks like a board game, you know. I think there's some games that we have already played, but haven't added to our submissions or to games that we played. Which one is this one? Oh, End is Near. I see. Okay. Fair enough. All right. So yeah, if there are no more requests, we'll get to working on this a little bit more. Honestly, I think the only thing left for me to do, or one thing I just want to add, is a requirement distance that you need to meet before the game gets significantly harder. So like what I'd like is for this plane to come, like let's say, oh, and we also want to update the UI to be a bar rather than a distance, and like have this plane And it's kind of funny that this plane, I mean, it should catch up to the train no matter what. But maybe that's what we could do. Like, the plane is always catching up. And the only way to avoid it is to keep, like, running your train. I see. So you want to commercially release your board game to fund your main game. Not a bad idea. I don't know much about the production of board games, but they are pretty popular in the US, so yeah, this is what we did with the plane. Obviously it looks kind of silly at the moment. He's just running back and forth, but what we're going to do is when they're going in the opposite direction, they're going to flip, and we should add some sort of like bar on the side to show its position. I don't know how hard this is going to be, but there's only one way to find out, and that's just to do it. So let's get to it. Where is our plane? What's the main thing that I wanted to add? It's this right here. This is like the main mechanic that I would say is missing from the game. Basically, I mean, it was either going to be this. This is a lot faster. Originally, I wanted to add a boss. Like a huge helicopter that shoots missiles like this. Has like more like homing missiles and like actual bullet hell mechanics where, like, you know, there's like a sine wave that it shoots at you or something like that. But this will have to do. And it'll be very punishing, I think. I mean, it does look pretty hectic, though, to see all of this stuff flying in the air. But maybe what we could do as well is we can have this part of the train protect the player. So if they do see that there's a helicopter coming, or I mean, sorry, a plane coming, they can, like, we don't actually have a use for this caboose at the moment. So yeah, we just run in here, avoid the, like, we'll give it a warning, like, you know, a flashing light saying, hey, missile attack incoming, hide, and then you hide. And I think we want to put it at an angle so that way if the player is hiding right here, we can still shoot them. Bug fixes are out? Alright. Sounds good. Unnamed. I'll play it again soon. For now, let's just keep working on this. Let's see what we can do here. So maybe we'll keep the plane always like right here, maybe. He'll come through, then come back. And this should be only after a certain amount of time. So actually, before we do that, let's fix all the mechanics with this plane. When it comes to shooting, what we do is we add a shoot timer, and for every 0.1 to 0.2 seconds it shoots, and when it hits 0.2, that's when you have like that opportunity to like hide between bullets. We might even make this. I mean, there should always be a window of opportunity, but that doesn't always happen. Like there is a slight chance that he can shoot as many bullets as he wants, and we wouldn't be able to avoid it. So we have to like somehow ensure that that's going to happen. What we could do is like maybe make a max amount of shots, and within that max amount, there should be at least 1 or 2 windows of opportunity. But also we could also make it so that they have to go into the caboose. That's also an option. You do a counter. Have I passed 3 seconds without a space, then force a space. Yeah, I was thinking of that, but I was also thinking that's what I was originally thinking. But we also have like there is almost no use for this caboose at the moment, so this would give us a reason to use it. Which is like you're throwing stuff into the train, enemies are coming in. Incoming plane is about to shoot their missiles. You run inside, avoid the missiles, then you have to run your way back inside here. And at a certain point, if you hit 0 speed, you lose the game. So it's just another case to force the player to keep the train going. Or maybe we'll make this also timed, where you just have to manage your time and speed of your train. All right, so I think maybe we'll leave the train the way it is, or the plane the way it is, but we do need to make it like either we leave this plane here all the time, like just way back in the screen, just have them come from time to time, or we could spawn a new version of them. I actually like the idea of keeping them because we do want to. Let me think about this. Yeah, we can record information. So this plane will have its own speed number. So like similar to how our train has. Let's see. Yeah, we'll start the distance at maybe like -1,000. No, -250 or something like that. And as the speed increases, the speed will be stagnant. We'll I keep talking and I'm not doing much. So let's just get it done. All right, let's see. Plane. So we do have a distance already, but I think this distance is actually for the movement of the train, or movement of the plane. We're gonna ignore that for now. Let's actually call this, I don't know, like camera distance. Oh. Alright, so for manage speed, how our game works is we just grab our speed and we keep adding it to our distance divided by 1,000. I think we'll do this basically the same thing here, but we'll have to manipulate what our speed is. Let's create another variable called distance. Keep it at -250. So it has to catch up to the player. And we don't have a variable called speed yet. We'll put it at 50 for now. And then what we'll do here is we'll say start attack. And what we'll do is, actually, leave it here. We'll do func check for attack. I mean, we could do this all the time, or we could do it in manage speed. We'll do it here for now. Check for attack. And maybe we'll do it like every 5 seconds or something like that. Can you kill the plane? I was thinking you couldn't kill the plane. Like, it was just something that was inevitable, but you kind of have to, like, yeah, like, avoid it. Or maybe you can kill the plane, but it will take a lot. Like, maybe it has, like, 25 health. Okay, so if our distance is equal to our level manager dot train node dot distance, or is greater than or equal to, we'll run start attack. And in start attack, this is when we'll run this physics process. So maybe we'll have also func attack. And we'll put this all in here. Call this put delta in here. I think Godot gives you warnings when you have variables with the same name as that, so let's just call it attack player. Am I on Godot 4? No, not yet. I should have actually done Godot 4 for this game jam, but yeah, we're still on Godot 3.5 or something like that. Okay. Another thing that I think we're gonna want to do, or make an attempt for, is making, like, I forgot what they're called. I think they're health bars. We'll put it, let me see, like progress bar, right? Yeah. I don't remember how progress bars work, but we'll test it out. I'm gonna move over just a lot to learn, and don't think game gems are the best to do that when your time is limited. That's true. I was thinking game gems would be good to learn it. I just don't want to start Godot 4 until they have a stable version. But I'm also like, I feel like, you know, I'm like one of those grumpy old men who don't want to change, you know. So theme override styles, foreground, background. We'll want to make this. What is this for? Let me see here. Yeah, we have to add a style. I'm not. Let me see. Maybe we can add a flat style. Maybe we'll be pretty lazy about this. Do want to make it the same color as our game here. Let me open up GIMP. Oh, we do have a sprite now, but I have no idea how to use it, so we'll ignore that for now. But eventually, I would love to try a sprite. Oh, what's going on here? All right, so this is the background, and then the foreground color. We want to make this red. Okay. Let's see what our percent is at. Is there a current value that we could do? Oh, there we go. So yeah, I think this is how we would represent it. Basically, the plane would be like, right here, and as it got to 100%, if it does hit 100%, we'll send a warning, activate the start attack, and boom. So how is this represented? We're going to go into our game. Let's grab a, say, plane attack. Progress. I think eventually we want to add more progress bars, so I'm going to add a control node here. You went from Unity. I technically also came from Unity, but the I only tried Unity when I was in early high school, and it wasn't until college that I actually started working in Godot. Or let's say plane attack progress bar. We should also make a variable for our train. I don't think we do that, yeah. I mean, for our plane, let's go into level manager. Dilly do. Yeah, we could test out your game. What's your game called? We'll test it out after I work on this mechanic. So in the next 20 to 30 minutes. I don't think it should take too long to implement this. All right. Okay. So we could do this in update labels. So our plane step distance is going to equal 0, or I'm sorry, our plane level manager dot plane enemy dot distance divided by our train node dot distance. This would be an int here. We do need to update some sort of things with this. So wait. What did we do here? This probably won't work. Let's see. Yeah, by 0. Our distance at the moment is 0. Let's say. Eventually we want to update this correctly, but for now let's just say if train distance so it says we're at 50, which is wrong here. Let's see what's going on there. Do we have to update our progress bar? It seems like it's not updating. So it does seem to update here. Oh, not step, but value. That's why. So let's just see what our plane is at. Here, let's start at a negative Instead of negative 250, let's say negative... Well, let's just try negative 25 for now to test out the mechanic. We're currently also running it, I believe, on physics process. Oh no, we're not. It's already running. But the bar at the moment is not updating our... Let me lower this again. Let's put it down here for now. So our distance is 5 at the moment. But yeah, it should already be filling up. Let me see. Our plane enemy dot distance divided by our distance. Yeah, it's still 0. So our plane enemy doesn't seem to update at the moment. Manage speed. Distance plus equals speed divided by 1000. Maybe it's this. Let me see what this value is giving us. No, we are printing the correct speed. Let's see here. Yeah, still adding. So the value should... Oh, there we go. Hey, how's it going, Jack? So I think what we'll do here, instead of saying, well, speed at the moment, let's see, it's always at 50. So if you're running at 100 all the time, sometimes you'll catch up, or the plane will never catch up. So I'm thinking what we'll do is maybe every third, it would have to be like every... Hope I'm doing well. Thank you. Yeah, I'm doing all right. We are still working on our game jam game. Well, we're just making slight updates. Or like, this is actually a pretty big update. We're trying to add like a sort of like a boss enemy or like a huge threat to the game. So it's a brand new mechanic, but I think it'll be worth it. Alright, let's see what we can do here. Every 30 seconds, maybe we could reduce or we can set our player's enemy. I mean, yeah, the plane enemy to equal the distance of the player minus 50, and then have the speed always be consistently 50, so the player has to manage above 50. Or maybe even more than that, like 75. Let's try 90. Just want to see what that would look like. Maybe we could just leave it at 90. What's weird is that at the moment, our speed our distance is... Yeah, wait, it's not updating correctly. We're at 158 and the player is much higher than that. Let's see what's going on there. 164. Let's see. I mean, our distance is already greater than this value here, so I wonder what's going on. It worked for like a split second. Let me see here. Enemy distance divided by train node distance. That value... Oh! There we go. So yeah, obviously that's way too much. So we'll set our main distance to, like, let's say negative... Let's say... So I think I have a better idea. What we'll do with the train distance and everything is we'll start a timer. If the player, we'll start it in the middle. If the helicopter catches up, or I mean if the plane catches up to our player, we'll initiate like a helicopter attack or a plane attack. If we get it all the way down to 0, which would be, I think, relatively hard, we would have to like mess with the numbers. As long as the player maintains a speed over, let's say, 75, maybe even higher than that, like 80 or 85, the plane won't come. I think that's a good idea. So every maybe 2 minutes, no, that might be too much. Every like 1 minute, we'll initiate one of these bars here. And we'll start it out in the middle. Alright. So let's do this. We do have a spawn boss fight. What we'll do here... Yeah, we could call it something else though. Let's call it, initiate. Plane chase. So it'll be a one shot for now. And we'll call it, we'll do this every 30 seconds for now. We'll say level manager. Well, one, we want to make our plane attack. So we'll say plane attack. And we'll also say level manager dot plane enemy dot start chase. Okay, so let's go back into our plane. We're gonna have a variable called start chase. We have a start attack, manage speed. Yeah, but we don't have a start chase. You know what I'm thinking? Maybe this will kill the player. Like you just have to avoid it. Like maybe there's a slim chance of surviving. So we'll say distance is equal to level manager dot train. I think we have a reference to our train node dot distance. Speed is equal to 85, and that's it. And then we also want to say manage speed. And let's also say start chase. And we do want to give them some distance advantage. So we'll actually say distance is equal to our train node distance minus like 50. I think that's a good number. It does have to be in the middle. So I'm trying to think. Is equal to train distance. What would give us like a good value? Maybe we don't have to do train distance. We could do train like percentage. So like we could do like expected distance limit or something like that. And that way it could always be even. That way we don't have to keep managing large numbers. Because I'm trying to think, what is 50? What is 50% less than... Yeah, it wouldn't make sense. So let's do this. We could save this in our plane here, or we could put it in our game node. Let's put it in our game. So we'll just say our required distance is equal to maybe 100 here. Train required distance is 100. If our train is currently at 50, our plane is at 0, then we would start at 0. These numbers could be skewed a bit, so I'm trying to think how do we make this work? Train required distance. Maybe we could start from 0. Train required distance. Let's do this. Train current distance is 50. Plane current distance. Call it plane current distance is equal to 50. Or maybe train current distance is 100. And our plane current distance is 50. That would give us a 50%. And this could go up and this could go down. Plane will always go up. Train will always go down, and yeah, I think that works out. All right, so on manage plane event, train current distance is equal to 50. Oops, 100. Train current distance is plus equals our train node speed, or divided by, we've been doing divided by 1,000. Same with our plane. All right, so we want to run this on manage play. Manage plane event. So we could run this in our. We don't actually have a physics process on our game just yet. I don't think. Yeah, so we'll do that. So maybe we don't even need the plane to do anything, we'll just have our game handle it. Alright, start plane event. Manage plane event. Start plane event. Alright, this should work. Let's put our timer at like 10 seconds, just so we can see it, and we'll set it to auto start. So after 10 seconds, we should see something pop up, and hopefully it increases. Oh, wait. We also need to make sure that this updates correctly. Where is it? Is it going down? Seems to be stationary at the moment. We're at 50. Or you know what it is? We're not adding on manage event. Oh no, we are. Train distance is equal to train distance, or train speed divided by 1,000. Level manager dot plane speed divided by 1,000. Actually, it shouldn't be 1,000. It should just be. Wait, let me see. Distance is equal to. Oh wait, yeah. Speed is equal to distance divided by 1,000. Why is it not working? Plane event. Start plane event. There we go. Now it should work. So yeah, if it hits 0, then it'll end the event. But if it, let's see if it actually goes up. I mean, it should, yeah. At 85, I think, is when it starts to go up. Oh, maybe 80. Let's see. Speed currently is 90. Okay. Wait, but it seems like it's still going down. What's going on here? Wait, our player current distance is not updating. What the hell? Let's see what's going on there. Plus equals speed. Level manager dot plane enemy dot speed. Maybe it has to be a double. Sorry, float. All right, sounds good. Dilly do. I'll play it after this. I'll upload the VOD should upload automatically. I'll ping you. If you give me your Discord name, I'll ping you once I do that. All right, sounds good. I mean, we could just do 50 here. Maybe that'll help. Or sorry, no, not 50. 90. But we did want to like make this dynamic at some point. I wonder. Let's see what value this is giving us. Yeah, it must be that this is it's sliding down. There we go. Wait, but it's still going up now. What's going on? We're above 90. Let's see here. 90 divided by 1,000. Train speed divided by 1,000. Should be working. Yeah, it shouldn't be going up. Oh wait, it could only could it only go up? We would have to like double our speed for this to actually work. Here, wait. Let's see if maybe 50 would be a better speed. So our current train positioning is 179, which actually, I guess that is pretty close to the middle. Yeah, we would only be at 90% or at 50% at this point, which I guess makes sense. Let me just try one more thing. We can make this mechanic a lot easier by just making it a speed requirement or a distance requirement. I wonder if we're complicating things at the moment. But yeah, it is going up actually, slightly. Maybe we would have to make the speed 25 to actually make this possible, right? Because at 25 we could double or triple, quadruple our speed to actually beat it. But keeping the bare minimum at 25, I feel like it's too low. But maybe that's a good thing. Maybe we will keep the speed at 50. Or maybe 45. 45 would be a good distance. Trying to think what's a good value. Kept it at 50. The player would have to manage 50% speed or 100% speed all the time. 45 would be a little bit more fair. But with 50 we can initialize it like more often. Like it would be a reoccurring event. Oh wait, we never updated it in our game. We set the speed to 50 here. Let's actually do... So anything below 100%, it's going to catch up. You know, I think I like the idea instead of us keeping the train speed at 100%, starting it at 0. Maybe even 200%, like some crazy number. And you get a timer that says like, oh, running out of fuel or something. So it started at 0. Speed is 100. This might be better. Yeah, actually, wait, no. 100 I think is too much. We'll do 95. 95 or... yeah, 95 I think is fair. Or 90. Wait, but we're at 95 speed. Why is it increasing? Oh yeah, it should be increasing. But I don't think we should visualize it like that. Trying to think what's a better way to do it. You know what? Let's save this for tomorrow. We'll finish this tomorrow. I'll do one more playtest for Diddly Do's game. Oh. We'll call it a day. Yeah, I'll let them know. Making a timer plugin, nice. I've never used plugins. Is it something that you can easily add to your game? I mean, easily add to like default Godot. My way game. And this is getting scary really fast. I'll do it myself. bullets. Oh, I can reload. Oh my goodness, this is hard. But I haven't been killing any of them, so maybe that's why. All right, let me know when it's done. I'd love to use it. All right. I don't know if we were supposed to kill those people, but. Is that a gunner? I love the reload animation. If we're supposed to kill these people. Oh my god, we're gonna die here. Oh no. Oh my god, this guy is crazy. No. Oh. Okay, pressing escape is, no, don't do that. Oh my god. You may rest. You monster. That was a pretty good game. I love bullet hell style games, so this was a lot of fun. The difficulty was pretty good. The one thing I will say is the reloading part was a little like the animation for it was cool. When you still had the pistol, it felt like I don't want to say unsatisfying, but it was like not noticeable. I think the UI was probably too small for me to notice how many bullets I had left and stuff like that. I think that was the hardest part for me. So yeah, I would say make that larger or put it like closer to the player or something like that so that we know how many bullets we have. The projectiles of the player, I feel like they should be larger. Just so that the player can see where they're shooting. It almost feels like my bullets have such a low like they do have a big impact because I am killing players, but I don't notice where I'm shooting a lot of the time, or don't know where my projectiles are. The bullets of the enemies were pretty good. They were slower than the player, which is good. You can like actually outrun it. No, later. No. What else? Yeah, it was pretty good. I feel like there was no need for the dash. I guess maybe for the enemy boss I could have used it, but it was easy to like kind of juke him if I had full health. I had to make sure I had full health going in there. Yeah. All in all, great game. The animations of the player were great. Obviously, I think all you did with the movement was have them like move towards the player so that they got stuck from time to time. Adding some sort of pathfinding would probably be better for that. But yeah, it's a 72-hour jam, so not too much can be expected from that. I love the story. The story was pretty cool. Yep, that's it. Great job. I will rate this game pretty soon. I'm probably gonna do all of the rating today. Or of the games that I have already played, I'm going to rate. So yep. Let's see if we could. I mean, we only have 3 people watching at the moment, but let's see who we can raid. Art Berklaus is I'll raid him again. Alright, I'll see you guys. Thanks for stopping by, everyone. Until next time.